time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor.
I'm so sorry because audio quality बहुत ही ख़राब है and I am literally so sorry for that. But um, just a minute. Sorry, I just thought someone was knocking. Anyway, so audio quality बहुत ही ख़राब है, which I realized, but now for a while we need to adjust with this audio because अभी मेरा salary नहीं आई है, and so that's one reason I cannot afford to make any kind of कुछ भी अभी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करने का सोच सकती. सो लेट्स जस्ट कैरी ऑन विथ वॉट एवर इट इज़ अंटिल गॉड वॉन्ट्स समथिंग बेटर. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, अभी ना बहुत एक इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज़ हुई है. सो बाय द वे आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग रियली क्यूट. आई डोंट नो, मतलब मुझे तो लग रहा है कि ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही सही जा रहा है. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट दिस light situation is really cool. So just took a shower, by the way. Subha se I just got time and I thought let's quickly do a छोटा थोड़ा गप्पे शप्पे मारते हैं. So that's the reason. Now मैं ना समझ ही नहीं पाती कौन सी हाथ में पकड़ूँ. Just a moment, let me just lock the room because I think it's not so safe. Just a moment. Okay, you're good to go. लाइट ऑफ करके देखती हूँ एक बार. I don't know if this is a. I don't think so. This is a very good. This is much better. Okay. So let's carry on. I took a shower, by the way. Okay. So I'm wearing this pink color की एक लंबा सा shirt है. It's like so oversized. I was also wearing this मतलब it's a crop top situation ऐसे side से कटे हुए. Anyway, I'm not a fashion blogger, नहीं तो I could have shown you properly, मतलब जैसे कि दिखाते हैं. We'll get to those things as we do this better. थोड़ा camera friendly होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अभी. So I was wearing this and फिर मुझे ठंड लग रहा था. So I wore this pink oversized shirt and then I started to look so good that I'm just wearing it now. I feel cute. Anyway, coming back to the story. अभी क्या हुआ ना, I was just sitting and my roommate had to like she had a dinner, so she had to go out somewhere with her friends. And by the way, let me just tell you that she's elder to me, so she's almost 30 and she's a nice person, you know. She's overall a great person and we have a good time. She talks a lot and I just love to listen. I wouldn't say I love to listen like to everything, but yeah, it is what it is. You know, we are roommates and I just most of the time zone out, but whatever. She had to go out and she like got dressed up, and it was the first time that I'm like really seeing her out of her sweatshirts, and she looked pretty. And I just told her that it's good to see you like this. And you know, she felt so good about herself, and she's yet to get married. She's looking for boys here and there. Not here and there, I'm so sorry to use that. She's looking for boys in like Jeevan Sathi and all of that. And she's trying to date. So you know, she got some kind of motivation and she really felt good about herself, and she started blushing. She started, you know, being cheerful. She was like, oh, I'm feeling so great about myself today. Hi guys, good evening. So it's the next day. I am so sorry I had to stop the vlog last day, and I have to continue it from now because there were some technical issues, and so that's the reason I couldn't continue doing the vlog. And I have my J in hand, so we're gonna go boom that, and then we will move on to something that I was actually about to say. last day, that is yesterday. The roommate had to go out, right? And by the way, I've got my nails done. It's a very pretty color, guys. Okay, so she was getting ready to go out, and like I really kind of hyped her up, and she was feeling so great about herself that she told me that, you know, because of you, something really has changed in the room, and we can already find a very positive vibe. And she was so happy. She was telling me that, you know, after a long time that I got ready like this, and I'm feeling so confident with myself. So I was so happy. Even after she left, I was just thinking about all that, that how, you know, how smoothly or how efficiently, by being just present, you can change so many people's life. We wanted to come and just tell you all that. Now today is Sunday, so yesterday was a very hectic day. So from Thursday been to office. I was on a leave because my backlog, that is my arrear subject examinations, were going on. I'll have to go to work tomorrow, of course. Now from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday was really hectic for me. So today it was kind of chill. I was mostly chilling the entire day. As you can see from my face, it looks a bit fresh and rejuvenated because I was on the bed, and I've been eating really nice. So, guys, I was thinking about getting a mic and a tripod stand for this vlogging purpose, because it's I was consistent for like almost 3 to 4 weeks, and this is technically my fourth vlog. So I am thinking, why not invest like on a small mic and a tripod stand, just for better, at least the voice should be very better, because when I was going through my previous vlogs, and I myself was very disappointed with the voice, with the audio quality. So I was thinking of doing that. So you all can let me know if you all want me to invest on a good mic and a tripod stand, so I can do that. Meanwhile, guys, I was also brainstorming on a lot of things which I actually had to sit down and talk about. But I'm not sure if today I am prepared, because I just quickly got some time to like vlog. So I thought, okay, fine, let's just complete the previous day vlog, and let me first brainstorm on lot of things, and then slowly maybe I can come up with a proper structured content. So yes, so meanwhile, there's just one update so far, or maybe two updates. The first update would be, uh, I'm thinking of taking appointments. Now I'm not gonna give away right now what exactly, because I still need to bring in storm on it a little bit, but I'll just keep that one there. The first one, I'll just leave it incomplete. I'm so sorry, I can't give off a lot of hints right away. The second one was tomorrow morning. Me and my roommate, I finally convinced my roommate to start working out. Now she's also a bit worried about her gaining weight and all of that. Meanwhile, me, I just want to gain a lot of strength, because I personally feel like I'm a very weak female, and I really want some like core strength, as in I can feel my bones and all a lot weak. Also, I want to come into a proper shape. So that's one reason why. Uh, so that is one reason why we will be going to the gym tomorrow. So that would be our first new year resolution or target, to just continue going to the gym regularly. So tomorrow morning, we're gonna go and figure, since today is a Sunday, the gym is closed. So tomorrow we have to go and figure out what are the timings. So there's yoga also that happens in the community, but uh, I'm not sure if I really want to, like, initially I was thinking of gym, and I tried convincing my roommate, and then today evening I was actually, honestly, to be very honest, I was just thinking of joining the yoga, because I think that's more convenient, and also you don't need a lot, a lot of equipments, as in, to start as a fresher. So I thought that would be more convenient to join yoga for like a month and then sort out your finances, budget, and all that, and then maybe think of joining the gym. But then suddenly today my roommate came and she was like, okay, chalo, let's actually join gym. So now I'm like kind of confused if I should go for the yoga or the gym. Now the gym here in my community is a bit uh, I don't know, the fees is about 1K per month without a trainer. Whereas that if you go outside of community and you take a cult pass or something, I think it's somewhere approximately 700 to 800. I'm not very sure. So that is that. I'm a bit confused, but I really, really want to join gym. Uh, Now, why I want to join gym and all of that conversation should happen in a sit down and talk video, not here. This was a quick update I wanted to give because there's not a lot of content for this vlog. As I said, this vlog is happening in a lot of different parts. A little bit happened in yesterday morning, a little bit was filmed towards the afternoon, and whereas this part of the vlog is happening in the Sunday evening. So it's around. Let me just quickly check. I think it's around 6ish right now, and this is how I look. I feel cute from yesterday, so that's the reason I wanted to again actually quickly pick up the camera and vlog. So, guys, if I'm actually joining the gym, I will make sure to start with proper content, come up with proper content, and then go to gym and show you what exactly a beginner should be doing. As in, I have never been to gym, like never in my life. I think I wouldn't say never. I did join once or twice, and I ended up just going like for a month, and then that too was on and off. It was never like a consistent thing for me. So this time I have made sure that 2025 is going to be all about me. So that's the reason, guys. I am sure a lot of you have taken up similar resolutions for the year, and for a lot of you, it is going to be a life-changing year. So now, keeping that in mind, I want to start with this gym, and then I'm going to show you guys what exactly a beginner can do in gym and what are the do's and the don'ts. So yes, that's all, and I'm going to show you guys all the rest of what I was going throughout the this past 1 week, what and all I was brainstorming. I'm going to give you all of those vlog, and moving on, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm still stammering and stuttering a lot while I'm talking because I'm not used to it, and I'm still figuring out as in what should be the exact structure of the vlog and how exactly you should vlog. And I'm also I'm also trying to get used to the idea of picking up the camera and showing my lifestyle or whatever I'm doing and whatever little motivation I can give you guys, because I think the initial reason for opening this vlogging channel was just for giving a lot of motivation, a lot of positive vibes, a lot of good energy to you all, whoever comes across this vlog. Saying that, I'm just gonna chill in the balcony. No one is there in the room, house, it's just me, and yeah. हाय गाइस. सो अभी मुझे तुरंत याद आया कि कल ऑफिस है, एंड देन आई थॉट कि चलो लेट्स पैक द बैग एंड लेट्स पैक इट अलॉन्ग विथ यू. सो लेट्स शो यू कि मैं क्या क्या यूजुअली बैग में डंप कर लेती हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर आप लोग भी वही करते हो. बट सिंस देयर हैज़ टू बी सम कॉन्टेंट. बाय द वे, दिस रिंग, आई लव दिस रिंग. ये वैसे ही मतलब कहीं से उठा लिया था. आई थिंक इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आई थिंक आई पिक्ड इट अप फ्रॉम मिंत्रा और समथिंग. बट ये एक सेट में आया था. It's not silver, it's nothing, guys, basically. But I love this ring so much on my finger that I wanted either the same design, either it in silver or gold. And it's so minimal, guys. There's nothing if you look at it. अटक गया. सो ये ना ऐसे टाइप का दिखता है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, कुछ नहीं है बेसिकली, but it looks so nice. Anyway, I usually carry this bag to office. Now this bag has a very cute backstory behind it, जो कि I will tell you in the process of packing the bag. But I just want to show you this bag, guys. This is like, I so much am in love to this bag. It's such a cute, it's such a blingy bag. So usually side में bag लेना, it I find it very inconvenient. It keeps slipping and falling off. So I usually like to carry a backpack and like, मैं ये बाद में उठ के दिखाऊंगी. अभी ना मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा गर्मी लग रहा है. I'm not sure. I have like closed down everything, so I think I can open this and just get a little free. Okay, so this is the cute blue crop top, guys, and I have a tattoo here, by the way. So guys, moving on, let's quickly pack the bag and show you all कि मैं क्या क्या exactly office में carry करती हूँ. Most important thing जिसके बिना the entire work day can just ruin, that is notes I carry. They just like keep getting more and more and more, so I can't help but just carry a lot of notes, और जो कि बस भर जाता है, बिकॉज आई कीप राइटिंग, आई कीप टेकिंग डाउन नोट्स. जो भी रिसर्च, जो भी काम का रिलेटेड वर्क चल रहा है, आई लव नोटिंग इट डाउन. सो दिस शुड बी द प्राइमरी थिंग्स फॉर दिस backpack. Okay, now the story behind this backpack is, guys, so in my previous office, मतलब, I just don't want to give off this story because it's so cute and so much for me. So क्या हुआ था ना, I was like, I had a colleague of mine. Backpack में I have already dumped in my notes. अभी next देखते हैं क्या जाते हैं. My ईयरफोन्स, दीज आर लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेरे जो वायरलेस ईयरफोन्स थे, एक तो वाइल गोइंग टू वर्क एक साइड का मतलब कहीं पे गिर गया था. सो आई डेंट हैव द पेशेंस टू लाइक स्टॉप द बाइक एंड देन गो एंड लुक फॉर इट. सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, जस्ट लेट इट बी. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, इसके बिना भी मेरा दिन नहीं चलेगा. लाइक आई कॉन्स्टेंटली नीड टू बी लिसनिंग टू म्यूज़िक. सो दिस ऑल्सो डंप इनसाइड द बैग. वैसे मैं डंप तो नहीं करती, वेरी पोलाइटली आई पुट इट इनसाइड, बट फॉर राइट नाउ ना बहुत सारे टिश्यूज़ भी जाते हैं, बाय द वे गाइज, इन बैग. वी आई एटलीस्ट मेक श्योर कि बैग में इनफ टिश्यूज़ रहे, सो दैट बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ, आई एम द ओनली पर्सन आई थिंक हु कम्स अक्रॉस द सिचुएशंस कि हमेशा मेरे पे ही crows wanna poop, dump their shit and they get lost. So that is when a lot of tissues are needed. So I make it a point कि bag में tissues होना is a must. So along with that, इसको dump करते pocket में. Now I'm very particular about where I'm keeping my things. I don't like things a lot unorganized. तो फिर ना मैं वैसे ही बहुत unorganized हूँ. And over the time I've realized that this is being a real issue in my life. So I've started being a lot more conscious about my organizing things, which has started like helping me out in my personal life. वो मुझे लगता है. So take down, guys, notes. इधर start being organized for real and you will find the change. Guys, something is, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि गले में कुछ हो रहा है. Very important thing जो कि I keep it along with me nowadays. This book I'm reading is Case in Point. So it's a very business related book जहाँ पे you will get case studies of several businesses और उनके solution कैसे plan होते हैं and all. Current book I'm reading, and this also goes in the same sector as my notes. So everything stays together. My watch इस पे charge नहीं है, तो अभी इसको I can't put it inside my bag. इसको I need to firstly put for charge and then I'm gonna dump it inside my bag. Made a point to carry my lipstick and the Dot & Key का जो lip balm जो कि मैं usually लगाती हूँ,
एंड गाइज दिस इज़ सच अ गुड मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट जो कि मैंने किया था बहुत पहले. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 months back I had purchased this, and this is still there with me. By the way, let me tell you guys, this is the another lipstick that I carry. Let's apply this and just try it out once. कुछ ना डार्क अच्छा कलर लगाते हैं. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of purple and see. With the color that I'm wearing right now, this color really goes. I like it. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा ब्राउन डालना है. Nowadays I really like the brown color. I think it really goes with my skin tone. Guys, I want you all to like, share, subscribe this channel, because I want to buy an iPhone, and only then I'll be properly able to shoot. Also, yeah, a lot of other plans are there, guys. I want to put it out to you guys, everything. So just like, share, subscribe, and do leave a comment. कुछ भी डाल दो यार, कुछ भी डाल दो. I just randomly dump any comment. So these two also goes inside my backpack. Now coming to the backpack story, I'll be getting back to that. Then comb, which is very necessary. I need to change the comb very soon, but no time for that. Okay, a lot of pens are needed. हाँ, आई नो आई यूज़ दिस 2 रुपी का पेन्स, बिकॉज मुझे इससे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल पेन्स और कुछ लगता ही नहीं है. सो दीज आर द पेन्स आई कैरी. ये द सनस्क्रीन, दिस सनस्क्रीन आई कैरी इट इन माई बैग. द अदर सनस्क्रीन दैट आई हैव, इट स्टेज इन द रूम. ये भी रूम पे रहता है, ये मंगाने के बाद बैग में चला जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द सनस्क्रीन दैट आई कैरी. इट इज़ फ्रॉम न्यूट्री ग्लो. आज भी सुबह से वही लगा हुआ है. Anyways, this also goes inside the bag. And the mascara snacks. Now these are banana chips. और इस पे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब ये इतना फीका सा चिप्स है ना. इसमें ना नमक है, इसमें ना तेल है, इसमें ना पता नहीं, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक दिस. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट some healthy snacks, क्योंकि मैं ना बहुत I eat a lot of nonsense throughout the day. So I found this snacks which is so bland, and I thought it being banana, I can taste the banana in my mouth and I just don't like it. So that's the reason I carry the snacks, ताकि मैं कम खाऊँ. My bag is packed. इसमें मेरा बॉटल भी जाएगा जो कि अभी it's not filled. So I have to go down prepare my dinner. तो इसके पहले ही मैंने बैग पैक कर लिया. सो माई क्यूट सा बैग पैक इज ज़्यादा मेरे बैग पैक को अटेंशन मिलती है. आई गॉट टू शो वन मोर थिंग गाइज. दिस स्क्रंची इज़ समथिंग दैट आई कैरी. ये भी बैग में ही रहता है, बिकॉज यू ऑल नो माई हेयर कंडीशन. इट इज़ नॉट रियली गुड एंड हेल्दी टू कीप द हेयर लाइक हमेशा खुला. रूममेट्स बेड जो कि अभी बहुत ही फैला हुआ है. इट्स everything is everywhere, so need to figure out a lot of things. And I think I can take the risk of showing y'all what exactly how exactly I clean the room. So luckily was not so फैला हुआ. That's the only reason it got cleaned so quickly. So moving on. अभी I think I am looking good in the camera, लेकिन मिरर पे इतना खास नहीं लग रही. Just let me check. It was morning. We went out for a walk. It was not even morning. It was in the afternoon, towards the afternoon. And you won't believe, guys, Bangalore का sun rays ना मुंह पे इतना जलता है. You can actually feel the burn in your skin. And I just had to run from that place. And after from that time onwards, I can actually find a little dullness in my skin. So okay, coming back to the story, I had to quickly tell you all that story, right?
So there was a guy in my office. So he was the one who had gifted me that bag, and he also had the same bag which he used to carry to office. And so I don't know why he gifted me that bag, even though I myself never wanted it from him. So I'm not very sure about why, but yes, uh, I still remember the day when he said that bag aa gaya hai and you have to go and take it from the a person. He is there waiting in the front gate. Or I was like, no, मुझे नहीं लेना. Everyone can understand कि you're gifting me the bag. So we had a thing like we used to talk to each other and all of that. But क्या हुआ ना, no one else in the office, so we both were from the same group. And matlab same gang, though our managers were different, but we used to like hang out, chill out together, all of us. So none of other people actually know or knew at that point of time what was going on. And I was like, no, I can't go and take that because I know कि मैं एक बार parcel लेके ऊपर आऊँगी तो of course my friends are gonna jump on that before I even get the chance to like open it. But I already knew what it was inside the parcel. So somehow I went down, and I still remember blushing the entire way while I was going down. And I took the parcel and I came up, I climbed up the stairs and I kept it. Or as usual, everyone started guessing कि ये उसके नाम पे था parcel, but I was carrying the parcel the entire day. So people were like, what's there? What's happening? ये उसका parcel, उसके नाम का parcel, why are you carrying and all of that? So the first, I didn't even get the chance to save myself. I was out there, and I don't know how he was also like, he's a very smart guy, but I don't know at that point of time उसको क्या हुआ था. So even now, if you all see, I'm like blushing. I'm a little bit I don't know how to convey those feelings in words. But anyway, wherever he is right now, I'm sure he's doing great, and I'm sure he also might be blushing thinking of the similar events abhi. But anyways, moving on. So this was the cute story about that bag. So I went down, I took the bag and I opened it, and everyone was like, "Arey, तूने भी same bag खरीदा?" I was like, "No, no way, I'll copy him." And I hate copying styles. Okay, किसी और का style copy करना, I absolutely hate it. And but that bag had caught my eye, so I was like, yeah, I'll also get it. But it was a bit costly at that point of time. तो ना आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, खरीदूंगी बाद में, थोड़ा बाद में खरीदते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बिकॉज मैं उतना आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली कि जहाँ पे चलो 4-5 हज़ार का बैग ऐसे ही खरीद लेंगे. आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन, थोड़ा टाइम लेते हैं, खरीदते हैं एंड ऑल दैट. बट anyways, he did what he had to and what he always does, that is never listen to anyone, and he absolutely does whatever he wishes to. So anyways, this was a cute story about how this bag thing happened. And when I opened the bag, everyone was like, all of that. So मैंने बोला नहीं, he had ordered, he gifted me the bag. And I was like, oh, fuck off, मैं तो नहीं बोलने वाली कि I copied मतलब मैंने order किया. I'm gonna tell people I'm gonna tell people the truth. So तभी मैंने सबको बोल दिया था ऑफिस में that yeah, he gifted me the bag. So anyway, moving on, that was a very cute phase of my life in my previous organization. अभी तो मैं change कर चुकी हूँ, and he has also away from India right now. He is not in the country. Anyway, so that was it, guys. That was the story, and I really felt cute sharing this cute little day. मतलब थोड़ा आधा आधा करके I showed you what all are the things I carry in my bag. I showed you कि I told you a very cute story about my life. लेकिन जो sit and talk वाला वीडियो है वो अभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा है because it's not possible for me to hold the camera for so long and actually talk. So it's better कि थोड़ा arrangement हो जाए, and also I'll try collecting more views and more subscribers. So whoever is watching, guys, I'm a new vlogger. uh, I'm trying to spread positivity and send healing energy to you.
I'm sure कि if anyone who comes across my vlogs or my videos will definitely find something inspiring अगर आप मेरे journey को थोड़ा सुनो. Since I'm starting off new, I'm not able to give off completely. Time लग रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. I'm also learning how to vlog and all of that, so it's taking time. But I'm sure कि हाथ तक. But I'm sure कि if you all stick to the vlog, stick to me, then I'm sure you will get something insightful and you will definitely benefit from this. So saying this, guys, do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel, and do leave a very cute comment. And yeah, see you all in the next vlog with something new, with something fun, with something inspiring. Take care, guys. Bye bye.